What's going on, everybody? So if you saw my live stream a couple weeks ago, you'll know that my family and I moved into a new house and we got a new lawn. It's not really a new house or a new lawn, but it's brand new to us, and we're really excited to be in this new house. It's a little bit bigger. The lawn's a little bit bigger as well. Actually, I'm thinking it's about double what the old lawn was. I don't know what the exact square footage is at this point, but I will be doing a video on that at a later date. Right now, today is February 2nd. We're in the 50s, low 60s, and I just thought it was a beautiful day just to kind of give you guys a little tour and a little taste of what we're going to be working with this year. So that's all I have for you guys today. I'm really excited about this coming year and learning more about this yard and just enjoying the mow. I will have some more content coming out here and there before spring actually gets here, because I need to do a lot of things to learn about this lawn before we get going this year in the growing season. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this video and if you like my content, give me a thumbs up, and please be sure to subscribe to my channel. I will have, again, more videos coming out very soon about this lawn before spring ever gets here. Thanks for joining me again today, guys. I'm Ben the Lawn Guardian. I'll see you in the next video.